Welcome to ExperCharts4FX training videos. How to identify a 2B formation. What you can see here is we have the Australian dollar at the 120-minute time frame. You can see here we have the price chart in the main section of the window here, and you've got the XIT indicator, and then we've also got the SIG indicator at the bottom here. What you're actually looking for when you're looking for these sorts of 2B formations or 1, 2, 3 formations, depending on how they actually look and what's going on in the market. You can see here there's a significant down move here in the Australian dollar, and so there's and each of these candles represents a 2-hour time period. You can see here it looks like there's a slight slowdown in the move, or a pullback, or some kind of it looks like the move might be ending. You've got one 2-hour bar which ends right where it started, and then another 2-hour bar actually going back up to touch our DIR line. What you're actually looking for in that scenario there is, and a lot of people could actually get caught out in this, and often they do. People sort of look prematurely to try and find a reversal or an opportunity to make a trade. However, with our indicators, especially here using XIT in this example, we can help you identify which of these moves are going to be safer and which of these are legitimate turning points. So what you can see here is point 1. You can see that there's a 40 pip rise prior to the failure of that turning point. So you can see the prices start to rise in this 2-hour bar. They continue to rise in this 2-hour bar. And what you can see at point 2 here is you can see that XITV bottoms out and also starts to rise. So you can see here that XITV stops around about here, starts to turn around and looks like it's going to go the other way. XITV fails to penetrate 0. So you can see here at point 3, XITV and XITH are not penetrating 0. So that's your first warning point. The second thing is you've got now the prices start falling again. So you can see our indicators are actually showing you here. The SIG indicator you can see is red, turns green, starts to go up through 0. But what you'll notice from our other videos and our other notes is the SIG is a leading indicator. So it will generally start turning prior to actually the prices turning around, and XIT is your secondary check. So what you can actually look at here is when these are in sync, then you can look at a safe move. But you can see here that they're out of alignment and they're out of sync, because even though SIG is green, the market looked like it was going to turn around, XITV and XITH were going against you. And you can see that if you had have taken that long position, you would have ended up losing out, because there's the number 4 to 6, the prices start falling, XITV forms a breathing zone and starts to fall again, and the prices reach a new low, which would have wiped out potentially any of your stops in place. So that's just an example of one way of how you can use XIT and XITV and SIG to identify 2B formations to help you identify safer trades.